Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video is going to be a soft glam makeup tutorial. So if you want to know how I did this look, please keep on watching. So first off, I'm gonna start with the concealer, and I'm going to apply this all over the eyelid, and I'm gonna use my finger to blend all the concealer. So I started with the shade which is called Bon Fresco from Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm just going to blend this all over in my crease area, going back and forth. And I'm taking a brush from Bdellium Tools. Next, I'm going to use this shade right here, which is the Burnt Orange from Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm going to apply this all over on the eyelid. The next shade that I'm going to use is this Cypress Umber, and I'm going to apply that on the outer V area. And I'm taking a tinier brush from G-Sup. Next, I'm taking the Two Timer from Nyx, and I'm going to create a little bit of wing liner. Then next, I'm taking the next. This is the Two Timer. Actually, this is 2-in-1. Like, you know, you can use the liquid eyeliner and then the black eyeliner pencil. And I'm going to apply this on the upper waterline area. So today for the primer, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Photofocus Face Primer, and I'm going to apply this all over on my face. For foundation, I'm gonna take the Melani 2-in-1 foundation plus concealer, and I'm going to apply this all over on my face, and I'm using the foundation brush from Bdellium Tools. For concealer, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. This is in the shade Light, and I apply this underneath the eye, on the chin, Cupid's bow, center of the nose, and on the center of the forehead. To blend the concealer, I'm taking the brush from G-Sup. Now to set everything, I'm going to use the Coated Earth Spanless face powder, and I apply this all over on the face. Next, I'm taking the Ombre Sapro shade, the one I used to apply on the outer V area, and now I apply this on the half of underneath the lower lash line. And also, I'm taking this shade right here and I apply this on the inner half of the underneath the lower lash line. Then next, for the contour, I'm taking this shade right here from Benefit Chic Parade, and I apply this first beside the nose using a tinier brush from G-Sup. Now to blend the contour, I'm taking this brush from Bdellium Tools. And also I apply this underneath the cheekbone, and I apply a little bit on the jawline as well. For the blush on, I'm taking the e.l.f. blush powder and I apply this on the cheek using the brush from Bdellium Tools. Next, for lip liner, I'm taking the NYX lip pencil. This is in the shade the pink, and this is kinda, creamy one. Now for my lipstick, I'm taking this NYX Lingerie. This is in the shade LipLi 02. For my mascara, I'm taking the Mary Kay Ultimate Mascara and I apply this a tiny coat on the upper and lower lash line. Next, for highlighter, I'm taking the Becca Highlighter and I apply this on the high points of the cheek, Cupid's bow, center of the nose, and on the chin. And also, I highlight the inner corner of my eye using the thinner brush from G-Sup. And there you have it, guys. This is the final result. I hope you enjoyed it and let me know in the comments section what you think about this video. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more future videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye guys. Mwah.